Hi, and welcome to our continuing series on Steps to Cloud Expertise. A lot of information out there right now is about cloud's ability to transform your business. And it's putting a lot of pressure on IT leaders like you to really make that happen. But before you can do that, you need a plan of action, a roadmap that defines where to begin and where you go next. So you can help business leaders really get the results they want as quickly as possible. In this segment, we'll hear from Tim Vanderham, Vice President Engineering, IBM Cloud. Tim's worked with a lot of companies, big and small, to help them develop their cloud strategies and roadmaps.
As you embark on your cloud strategy roadmap, it comes down to 3 key steps. They all revolve around people, process, and technology. Determine the right cloud environments, prioritize your workloads and applications, and finally, you got to build credibility, support, and momentum while understanding the organizational impact that this change will have. So let's start with step 1. As you know, clouds come in many different shapes and sizes: private, public, hybrid, on-prem, off-prem, the list goes on. And there's no hard and fast rule for which best fits your company or your industry. I've found that a lot of companies are turning towards the cloud and thinking about hybrid, especially those that already have a large investment in core IT. For many, it's a bridge strategy. For others, it's a way to run new born-on-the-web applications on the infrastructure and platform ideal for their business requirements. For example, I recently worked with a multinational bank that deployed a hybrid cloud solution focused on their high-volume transaction processing workloads and a backup strategy for that deployment. They drastically reduced their server footprint by 60%. So consider deploying your high-volume transaction processing workload, or look for a backup strategy on critical workloads to the business in a cloud environment. You and your team will gain valuable experience, deliver results with minimal risk of disruption. At the end of the day, it all depends on your specific needs and requirements. Think about the applications. Which demand a private cloud environment? Is the application mission critical? Does it contain and interact with sensitive data? What are the compliance and regulatory concerns you have to consider for your business? Which of those applications are well suited for a public cloud environment? Mobile applications and collaboration software are good options. You got to keep in mind that your roadmap may cover months and years. The most important part of your journey is to make sure that you build environments that are flexible, agile, and accommodating. That aspect involving speed will help you keep up with your changing business needs. Once you have an idea of how you'll use those different cloud environments, move on to step 2. Figure out which applications make the most sense to begin with as you roll out your cloud roadmap. Are any of your applications running on technology at the end of its life cycle? Or do you have applications that are very cyclic? They have infrequent but high and intense compute power demands when they're needed by the business. Both of these styles of applications could be good candidates for the early stages of a cloud roadmap. Choose that low-hanging fruit. Or better yet, focus on new applications. Born-on-the-web applications, whether it be mobile or social, are great places to start your cloud strategy and roadmap. Other great examples are around disaster recovery or batch processing workloads that are going to allow you and your team the ability to deliver with cloud speed, but not disrupt the day-to-day business operations for your company. So other applications that are good candidates for the beginning phases of your cloud roadmap are collaboration solutions, financial risk management, and email. These applications and solutions are designed, built for, and already running on the cloud. That makes the deployment process, the management, and ultimately the governance as you embark on this cloud strategy much simpler for you and your team. So it's imperative you think about the benefits of integrating these workloads into the cloud environment. Start with those that make the most sense and build your cloud expertise, build your knowledge and experience, and ultimately you'll build your credibility that will allow you more success over time. So that brings me to step 3, which is aimed at building an organizational support and momentum for your cloud strategy. So it's imperative to find out what the business leaders need. Look for quick and easy wins. HR initiatives aimed at employee training and retention may be a great way to demonstrate value to the business. Take a look at marketing solutions that are available on the cloud. Look for ways to extend your business and enhance your interaction with your customers. Mobile workloads are particularly well suited for the cloud because they require that rapid, iterative development and deployment in an agile approach that will give you flexibility to have ebbs and flows around customer requirements and responses. As a cloud leader in your organization, the goal is to find the path of least resistance, but the one that delivers the greatest amount of value with speed and agility. Done right, cloud can help you and your team demonstrate the true value your organization brings to the business.
Thank you for your time in viewing this video. There's a complimentary ebook you can download that provides more information and tools so that you can develop your roadmap.